How to become a millionaire selling technology products. Technology has revolutionized the world we live in today, and it's no secret that the tech industry is one of the most lucrative and fast-paced industries out there. With the increasing demand for technology products, the opportunities to make money in this field are endless. Have you ever wondered how some people manage to become millionaires by selling technology products? In this video, we'll be sharing some valuable insights on how you can achieve the same level of success. My name is SamerAI, and if you're like me, you're always on the lookout for new ways to make money online. Hello and welcome to our video on how to become a millionaire selling technology products. In this day and age, technology products have become an integral part of our lives, and their popularity and demand continue to grow every day. With the right approach, selling technology products can be an incredibly lucrative venture. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing some tried and tested strategies and insights on how to become a millionaire by selling technology products. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. 1. Choose a hot technology trend to sell products around. The world of technology is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the latest trends is crucial in becoming a millionaire selling technology products. To achieve success, it's important to latch onto the hottest technology trend of the moment and sell accordingly. Whether it's the Internet of Things, AI, or digital assistants, it's essential to stay up to date with the latest trends and offer products that cater to them. The customer technology craze is always hot and in vogue, and by capitalizing on their unquenchable thirst for the newest and greatest, you can secure your spot at the top of the tech food chain and reap the rewards. However, it's also important to keep in mind good business ideals, such as having a solid business plan, understanding your target market, and taking calculated risks. By following these principles, you can become a successful entrepreneur and live the high life, with a beachfront property and a fancy sports car parked in your driveway. So join us for this high-tech thrill ride and discover the secrets to becoming a millionaire in the world of technology. 2. Research what people are buying and selling on the internet. When it comes to making money, the internet is one of the most powerful platforms available. But what are people actually buying and selling? Believe it or not, you can become an instant millionaire by simply selling a few technology products on the web. Of course, this doesn't mean that you will become an overnight success, but with a bit of hard work and savvy online marketing skills, you'll quickly get the hang of it. With so many opportunities available in cyberspace, it's worth taking some time to research what people are buying and selling. Who knows, you could become the next internet tech mogul. 3. Develop your own products or find a supplier for them. Who says you have to get a job to become a millionaire? Become one of the many entrepreneurs making big money in technology products by learning how to develop or source them yourself. With the right knowledge and hard work, you can easily become a successful business mogul selling high-end technology products and make your first million before you know it. So no matter whether you plan to design your own products or track down a reliable supplier, investing in technology is definitely the way to go for anyone who wants to make it big in their career. 4. Create a website and online store. With the right strategy and the right website design, you can turn your dream into a reality. Creating a website for online store is no small task. It takes planning, creativity, and consistency if you want to make sure that your online shop has all the necessary features and functions according to customer expectations. With careful consideration of your customers' needs and utilizing every tool available to ensure your products are properly represented, from proper product descriptions to attractive images, you'll be well on your way towards success. So let's get started. 5. Market your products through social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. In today's fast-paced world, everyone wants to become a millionaire by marketing their products in the most effective ways possible. One of the quickest and most effective ways to achieve this goal is by leveraging the power of social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. These channels provide a way to reach a wider audience than ever before, making them an essential component of any successful marketing strategy. Whether you're a small business owner or a Fortune 500 company, these powerful tools can help you succeed in selling technology products. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram allow you to connect with potential customers, build brand awareness, and drive sales. Email marketing enables you to reach your target audience directly with personalized messages that resonate with their interests and needs. Paid advertising, whether it's through Google Ads or social media platforms, offers a way to increase visibility and drive traffic to your website. By using the right techniques and leveraging the power of social media, email marketing, and paid advertising, you can become a millionaire selling technology products. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level and achieve financial success, start using these powerful tools today. 6. Ship your products to customers all over the world. Imagine opening your mailbox each day and finding orders from foreign bazaars and exotic cities. Become an international business mogul and watch as your empire expands beyond the boundaries of everyday reality. Become the envy of entrepreneurs everywhere with just a few clicks when you take advantage of this incredible opportunity to become an e-commerce mogul. Don't delay. Ship your products to customers around the world today. 7. Keep up with the latest trends and changes in the technology industry. Keeping up with the latest trends and changes in the technology industry is a must. From AR, VR, AI applications, blockchain technology, self-driving cars, and more, there are seemingly endless opportunities for those willing to stay ahead of the curve. By understanding what new products are coming out, which ones are garnering consumer excitement and investor attention, you can capitalize on that knowledge to expand your portfolio. Before you know it, you could be a technological tycoon. 8. Enjoy being a millionaire. Becoming a millionaire is no longer a pipe dream that only a few people can reach. By selling technology products, you can now be among the millionaires and enjoy the high life of luxury. Whether you're learning to code and creating your own digital products, or selling more traditional items like mobile phones, laptops, and other gadgets online, the sky's the limit when it comes to becoming a millionaire. Become one today, reap in the rewards, and start enjoying being a millionaire for all of its perks. Thanks for watching. We hope this video was able to provide you with all the information you need to know about tech sales and how to become a millionaire selling technology products. From understanding the basics of product marketing, leveraging social media, email marketing, and paid advertising, to shipping your products around the world and staying up to date on the latest trends in the industry, we've covered it all. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level and become a millionaire, start putting these strategies into action today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this that can help you reach success. Thanks for watching, and until next time.